Okay, this one. 2021 question number 32. First of all, there are two methods to do this question. The first one is the easiest one. You may use your calculator. 14 times 16 to the power of 15 plus 17 times 16 to the power of 14 and so on. You can use calculator and then you will get 1.7366 times 10 to the power of 19. Okay, so this is what you've got from calculator. And then after that, what about these? So if you just put them using the base 16 hexadecimal, that mode, if you use that mode to input and then change it to base to decimal, base 10, then you will find that there's no enough display memory. So we cannot use calculator to directly do the change. Therefore, we have to use our original method. So E101, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then 2 and 1. So this is a hexadecimal number. So in order to change it to a hexadecimal, so we could put it this way. First of all, what does it mean by E? Okay, let's talk about this later. And first of all, for each of these place, there should be a place value. So since it is base 16, the first one is 16 to the power of 0, and this is 16 to the power of 1, 16 to the power of 2, 16 to the power of 3, to the power of 4, and 5 to the power of 6, to the power of 7, to the power of 8, to the power of 9, to the power of 10, to the power of 11. And then this is 0, and then to the power of 12, to the power of 13. And then this is E to the power of 14. Plus. Okay? So don't forget these two, 16 to the power of 0, 16 to the power of 1. Okay. So this is the expanded form. And then one more thing, do you know what is E? So because for hexadecimal number, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. For 10, because we could use one space to store the number 10, and 10 there are two letters, so it's not enough, and therefore we have to use a symbol. We use A to denote 10, we use B to denote 11, C for 12, D for 13, E for 14, F for 15, and then the next one, we go back to the first number. Okay, we go back to the first number. And now E means 14, so we have 14 times 16 to the power of 14 plus 1 times 16 to the power of 13 plus 1 times 16 to the power of 11 plus 2 times 16 to the power of 1 plus 1 times 16 to the power of 0. Okay, and now we could use calculator, and then we find that it is 1.0133 times 10 to the power of 18. So obviously it is not the same as this number, they are not the same. So if we using the same way to expand, to decode, to expand, to change them to decimal, then we can find that D, yes, D should be the answer. D, this one will be the same as this one. Okay?